Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's budgeting tools. Let's get straight into it. For the first step, all you got to do is open the Sofi app and visit or you can visit the website and just log into your account using your email address and password. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the budget or financial dashboard tab, and then you want to connect your external bank accounts or credit cards and other financial institutions to Sofi, and Sofi will import your transaction data and categorize your expenses. Next, you can set budgeting goals. So just set budgeting goals such as savings for a specific expense, or it could be paying off debt or building an emergency fund, whatever it is. And Sofi will provide personalized recommendations to help you achieve your goal. Next is to track your expenses. Now Sofi will track your expenses and categorize them into categories like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, or whatever. And you can view your expenses by category this way. You can also view it by date or by merchants. Next up is to create a budget plan. So based on your income and expenses, Sofi will create a budget plan for you. Now the plan will outline projected income and expenses for each month. So what next is to monitor and adjust your budget. You be sure to regularly monitor your budget to ensure that you're on track to meet your goals. And also you can adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes to your income or expenses. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Sofi's budgeting tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.